super spooky, wasn't it?
It really was. I'm glad I was watching it with you guys. I don't think I could have watched it by myself. What do you think, Jimmy? Were you scared?
Scared? Me? No, this is Jimmy you're talking about. I'm the bravest kid in school. I could have watched that movie by myself with the lights off in the middle of a haunted house, and I still wouldn't have been scared.
So why are you all wrapped up in a blanket?
Oh, well, funny story about that. I'm getting a little chilly, you know? It's getting cold out.
Aw, Jimmy, you know it's okay to be scared, right? Me and Jordan were scared too.
You two are crazy. Just because you're a couple of scaredy cats doesn't mean that Jimmy is. Guess I'm just built different. Can't be scared. In fact, I challenge you. I predict that no matter how hard you try, you will not be able to scare me.
A challenge, huh? What do you think about that, Jordan? Bravest kid in school? We'll see about that. You're on, Jimmy.
Good luck, but I'm telling you, it's impossible. I've never been scared before, and I don't plan on starting now.
Hey, kids. Popcorn, anyone?
This is gonna be easier than we thought.
Oh yeah, for sure. Boys and girls, if you want to see if Jordan and I can give Jimmy the scare of his life, give me a big thumbs up.
Coach Rocco, are you eating the popcorn that fell on the couch?
Yeah, 5-second rule, right?
There's Jimmy playing basketball as per usual. Perfect.
So tell me more about this plan. We're gonna scare Jimmy.
Yep, that's the tricky part. So while Jimmy's playing basketball, we thought we'd dress up like a ghost and try to scare him. Do you want to help us?
Yeah, I'll be the best ghost you've ever seen. You'll never hear Jimmy say he's the bravest boy in school ever.
Perfect, Coach. Here's the costume. Put it on. And while you're at it, why don't you work on some ghost noises to really scare him?
Oh yeah, like this. Moo, moo.
That's close, Coach. But it's more like, ooh. You kind of sound like a cow.
Oh yeah, I get those two mixed up. Okay, I'll go get dressed. This is gonna be so much fun.
Remember, ooh, not moo.
Scared.
Good luck.
Good luck, you got this.
Thanks, Coach. Bye, Coach.
Ah, nothing better than a little b-ball by the pool. And it's time for me to do another one of my patented Jimmy Spinneroonies. Woo! The crowd goes wild. They're cheering, they're applauding, they're booing? Well, that doesn't make any sense. Where are those sounds coming from? They sound pretty spooky.
Moo, 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 moo.
Stay calm, Jimmy, stay calm. If you stay quiet, he can't hurt you. Oh, of all the days to not wear my anti-ghost underwear.
It's working. Come on, Coach Rocco, you're almost there. Jimmy really thinks that's a ghost. Oh my gosh, he's falling for it.
Fiddlesticks. I can't see anything with this on. I think Ellie forgot to cut the eye holes in this thing. Where am I? Oh! Ow! Oh! Whoa! Ah!
Oh, no. I can't believe he fell.
I knew it was you the whole time, Coach Rocco. Nice try, but everyone knows that ghosts can't swim. You really thought that I'd be scared of a silly little ghost? Huh, if only.
Well, I better help Coach Rocco out of the pool. You stay right here.
Okay.
It's like I always say, Coach Rocco, you just can't scare the bravest kid in school, no matter how hard you try or what you do. That's why, like I always say, bravest kid in school, bravest kid in school, bravest kid, and he wears the coolest hat.
Oh, no, Jimmy, are you okay?
Oh, Ellie Sparkles. I should have known it was you. Well, let's just get one thing straight. You did not scare me. The only reason I jumped into the pool was to help Coach Rocco. Yeah, that's right. He asked me for some swim lessons. You okay, Coach?
All right, Jimmy, if you say so, but there's a whole day left to scare you to go. Scare you later. Okay, so our first plan didn't go too perfectly, but the second one is foolproof for sure.
This plan is perfect. Let's go through it one more time.
Okay, so I'm gonna text Jimmy and tell him that there's gonna be a Roblox tournament in my bedroom.
Which he'll totally fall for.
I'll hide under the covers of my bed while you hide in the closet.
Then, bam! We both jump out and give Jimmy a double scare.
Yep, I can't wait to see his face.
Looks like Ellie and Jordan are in Ellie's filming studio. What could those two be planning now?
I'm gonna be Jimmy now.
Boom!
That sounds like Jimmy.
A double scare, huh? More like a double fail. Good one, Jimmy. I'm gonna ruin their plans again. You just can't trick or scare Jimmy.
Okay, and set. Let's go get ready.
Ooh, a text. Big Roblox tournament in my room, Jimmy. Come on up and play. Yeah, right, Ellie. I'm not falling for this one. Scare you later. Knock, knock. Is this where the big Roblox tournament's being held? Where is everyone? I sure don't want to miss that big Roblox tournament. Uh-oh. I sure hope nothing scary's gonna happen in here. That would be terrible. Guess I'll just have to ruin your plans. Ha! Found you, Ellie.
Aw, Jimmy, I guess you found me.
And I'm not done yet, because I know where Jordan's hiding too. Come on out. Party's over, Jordan.
Hey, Jimmy! You just caught me enjoying one of my favorite pastimes, vacuuming. I just love this little gadget. Gets all the little cracks and crevices.
First of all, who vacuums a closet? Secondly, if you're in there, then where's Jordan?
Nice one, Jordan. We scared him real good.
We took him down to Scary Town.
Wait a second, scared? You actually thought that I was scared? No, I was just going up here to look for my basketball. It doesn't seem to be here. That's a balloon. That's what tripped me up. Doesn't count. Coach Rocco, just the person I wanted to see.
Oh, you need help with your gym homework?
Well, I guess you could kind of consider this homework. You see, Ellie and Jordan have been trying to scare me all day for absolutely no good reason. And I think it's time to give them a taste of their own medicine.
Oh, medicine? No, that's not me. We gotta ask the school nurse. I'm just the gym coach.
No, Coach Rocco, that's just an expression. What I need you to do is help me scare Ellie and Jordan. Here's the plan. I have a costume all set up for you in the kitchen, so I need you to go in there and put it on. Then I'll lure Ellie and Jordan into the kitchen, and once they see you all dressed up as a scary monster, they'll be so scared they won't even know what to do. Then we'll see who the real scaredy cats are.
Oh, Ellie and Jordan have kittens now?
No, scaredy, that's just another expression, Coach. Can you just go into the kitchen, or I'll meet you there. Good grief. Ellie! Jordan!
Hey, what's up, Jimmy?
It's been a long day with all that super funny scaring you've been doing, and I feel a little famished. What do you say we go to the kitchen for a little celebratory snack?
Sure, sounds good.
Oh, it will be. Just you wait. I sure hope there's nothing spooky in the kitchen. That'd be just terrible. Ah! Look, it's a scary monster! It's a scary monster! Run for your lives! Run! Why aren't you running? It's scary.
Jimmy, that's obviously Coach Rocco. Look.
Yeah, Jimmy, if you wanted Coach Rocco to scare us, you probably should have changed his shirt.
Yeah, Jimmy, can you go over this plan again? So we have to get medicine for their kitties, and then what happens after that?
Wait, if that's Coach Rocco, then who's that?
Run for it!
Silly kids, where'd they go off to? Hey, I love your shirt. Where'd you get that? Are you Coach Rocco from the future? Huh? Oh, I don't mind if I do. Oh, these are stale. These are stale. Throw those out. No, 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 no. Garbage. Garbage.
Wasn't that video super fun, Sparkle Squad? Boys and girls, if you want to watch more of my videos, make sure you type Ellie Sparkles in the search bar. And Mom and Dad, if you want to learn more about me, you can check out my website at elliesparkles.com, my Instagram, Ellie Sparkles Official, or on Facebook at Ellie Sparkles. See you soon!